If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Sumo Logic, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log in. Access your Sumo Logic account by entering your credentials on the login page. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to manage transfers. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Once logged in, locate the transfers section in the main menu. This is where you can view all pending and completed transfers associated with your account. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. In the transfers section, look for the list of pending transfers. Find the specific transfer you wish to cancel by checking the details such as date, amount, or recipient. Step 4. Select the transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Look for the cancel option within the transfer details. Click on it and confirm your decision when prompted. You should receive a notification confirming that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. In conclusion, cancelling a pending transfer on Sumo Logic is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. Make sure to double check the transfer details before cancellation to avoid any mistakes.